Hello guys, Kumar here. Welcome to our channel Problem Solver team. Today we are going to start example 4 power shutdown latched. This is diagram. This condition the auxiliary relay M, this memory bit M512 is latched. The circuit cannot be latched when the power is on, but also keep the community of the original control, and when the power is shut down and switch it on again. This diagram here. This project work same as the previous program video. Here this is only external memory bit M512 is added, and first if you turn x1 input with set command and output called be y1 this memory bit, and y1 will be on. When I press x2 at this time, this reset command and memory bit this full system is reset. This reset command adjusts M512 this memory bit and M512 memory bit to load y1. x2 is pressed, this full program reset and y1 will be off. Input switch x1 x2 are using a momentary switch or push switch, and here we can use many memory bit internal memory this device, and this total memory device indication M02 M4095 is total M memory bit. This M and numbered to decimal form. Now this program complete. This same program to WPL solved. This set command, reset command, and x1 x2. Now this program upload and download to PLC, and push button press and LED on off. This memory bit high, LED is on, memory reset, output is off. Now this program compile. This program compile complete, and upload this program PC to PLC and switch on off. This LED is on and off. This LED DC operate 24 volt. Now this combination transfer setup and PC to PLC, this type. Okay. This programming upload complete. Now this monitoring online mode, this run command is on. When I press x1, this switch on, external switch, this x1 is on, output is on. When at a time this x2 is pressed, this program full reset. When I press x2 is on, this reset command high and full program reset, and x1 is on, set command is high, set, this is last. This previous video in this details. M512 is high, this y1 load will be on, and when I press x2 this full program is reset. Thank you.